I believe SACS is a really special school, and part of what makes it so unique is that it's located here in this high-rise building right in the centre of the city, and integral to that sense of identity is the rooftop up on level 9. I remember the first time I saw the rooftop and thinking, oh wow, this place is amazing, and I was quite jealous that my children were going to spend so much time up there. It's like this safe haven where the students, they could be talking to friends or playing handball, and then they can still look out and see the world outside the playground. So it could be a royal visit at the cathedral. It could be a sort of history-making occurrence happening in the square. So it provides this real sense of an identity of who they are as a global citizen of the world. But I have to admit, at the moment, the rooftop is looking pretty tired, and I think there's a lot that we can do to make the rooftop really quite a wonderful place for our students who spend so much of their time there. So we have been putting some focus groups together, and we have a fantastic, really exciting wish list of what we'd like to do with the rooftop. And we've gone out to some urban designers with that. But at this stage, it's only a concept, because what it comes down to is we can't have a plan. I haven't got a plan that I can show you until we know how much money we're going to have to spend. And that depends completely on how much money we can raise. So that's where you can come in. We are trying to raise funds at the end of this financial year on our Giving Day so that we can make our rooftop here at SACS the best place it can possibly be. So a Giving Day is 24 hours. It's really exciting. We set up here in the hub and operations room. We run it a little bit like a telethon. We have volunteers. We have gala day for the students. We celebrate the school's birthday. It's a really vibrant day. And during that, we try and raise as much money as we can so that we can renovate our rooftop. So we're really lucky. We've got some matching donors who are very supportive of this project. So in effect, what that means is if you donate your money, they can triple the impact that makes. So if you donated $300 to the rooftop, that would in effect become $900. So it's a really nice bang for your buck for donating this year. You get a tax receipt because it goes to the building fund. So we're trying to make the day also a little bit of fun. So we've got a chicken naming competition that the students can join in. So when you do donate, if you say your children's house, they might get the rights to be the ones who name our gorgeous rooftop chickens. I've always wondered whether we have the highest rooftop chickens in Sydney. So it just adds a little bit of a fun to the day. So I really hope you can support this project. It's really a very special part of our school and who we are as a city school. And I'm really looking forward to being able to show you some really exciting plans of what we can do if we manage to smash our target on the day. And I really believe that we can.